all the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Good morning, everyone. I thought I'd vlog today. I haven't done that in a really long time, and I know you guys enjoy these, so we're gonna try to make a little vlog today. And we're gonna start today off with feeding the horses, as always. My little buddy's hungry. It's a ridiculous muddy mess down here. Tooty's hungry. He came and got me. This is our new kitty. He doesn't know what to think. Are you camera shy, buddy? His name's Tigger. He's a stray who decided to move in. Ah, Tooty. It's really windy out, but I'm gonna go for a little run now because I'm trying to get into cross-country shape for the eventing season. So Sunshine's really in shape and I have to be able to keep up with her. Hi, there you dig. Get! Get! It's about 2 o'clock right now, and basically all day I've been working on my 4-H presentation. So my presentation is going to be on nutrition for horses and like whole food for horses. These are my favorite books, and I've been working on this all day. And hopefully soon though, I will go outside again. So despite the fact that it's really windy out, I'm gonna take Sunshine for a little trail ride. Please excuse how dirty this tack is. It's so muddy out. It's the boys. We got Shadow in here with Cashy. Be his buddy. Cashy has to be separate from the girls so he's gonna eat meat. Because he's not gelded yet. Huh. And now I'm with the little girls. He's got the pony. There she is, all ready to go. She's so cute. She looks happy. I hate phones. So we're off on our ride, and Sunny's happy with his little ears. We're just having a fun ride today. As you saw, we put on our Western tack, and we're just gonna go for a little trail ride. It's not a very nice day to practice anything anyway, because of all the mud and the wind. It's not really a very good setup for success. We've been able to start our lessons again. We found an arena that we can trailer to, and we can have our lessons there every week. So that's been awesome. We had our first lesson last Wednesday, and then we're just going to keep doing that every Wednesday. So we're super excited about it. And in our last lesson, we practiced bending and getting her off my inside leg. So all winter, we really haven't done any like bending practice. We've just been doing lots of trotting in like straight lines, like up this road here. And we've been doing really well at that. But then we went to the arena, and I totally forgot arenas had corners. So it's time to bend into them corners again. And it's nice for sunshine because it's a little change of routine for her. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind. Anyway though, but today we're just going to have a fun ride.
Until winter comes, it really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
I'm gonna hang Sunshine's halter up and grab Cashie's so I can put him out in the field for a little bit. This halter was the very first halter that I ever bought for Sunshine, and it's Hunter Green, which is Cashie's color, and he fits into it. It's the same exact size as this one. He's growing so much. I can't believe though, when I first got Sunshine, I had no clue what color to get her, but she is purple. Oh my gosh, Sunny just opened the thing. Thank you, Pony.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, it makes me wonder.
What are you doing, Rick? Hi. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself and don't bite. Hi. Little Tigger. Actually, Big Tigger. He's a big cat. He likes to hang out here in the hay barn, huh? Yes, you do. So before I head up to the house, I just filled up some hay nets for a little snack for the ponies. It's now dinner time for the ponies. I brought the ponies down some chopped carrots. Cashie absolutely loves those. In this bowl, I know it's kind of crazy looking, but these are chia seeds soaked in water, and it makes like this jelly, and I think it's literally so satisfying because they're so weird looking and so cool. But anyway, these are good for the horses, so they'll all get a few spoonfuls of this. This is coconut oil for some good fat. It's not coming off. I do want to make like an actual what I feed my horses video, but I'm just kind of showing you what I'm doing tonight, part of our routine. So these are hemp hearts, and they're just hemp seeds. So, and lastly, this is Sunshine's Mare Mood supplement. It's all herbs, and she gets a little scoop. And almost forgot a little bit of mineral salt. So the ponies had their feed, and I decided to put their dinner in the hay bags or hay nets again because it's so muddy now, and they'd waste so much if I just put it in the mud. So I just want to see how the mud. Look how dirty she got. Impressive, Sunshine. And it's also starting to rain now and get dark, and it's pretty miserable. So we're going to say goodnight to the ponies and head up to the house.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times are gone. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. future is bright.
Timothy pellets. So we're back from town, and as you saw, I had to get some feed at the feed store, and we also did grocery shopping. And it's like 1 o'clock, and we're back now. Little Cashie's taking a nap in the mud. Poor kid, everything's mud. He's a mess. But I'm gonna get his halter on, and I'm going to lead him up to where the trailer is parked with the truck hitched to it, and we're gonna practice some trailer loading. Hi, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. You're so brave. Yes, you are. So that was kind of eventful. He walked in perfectly the first time. That was the time I filmed. Then after that, for some reason, he said he didn't want to go. And then Elsie was barking at him, trying to help. But I tell Elsie to go lay down. Now she's mad at me. But Cassie went in the trailer. After that, we just had to work through the little bump. So he should be good to go. He has to go to the vet on Friday to get gelded. So that's kind of what we're trying to work up to. But we put him in there today, shut the door. He was fine. So he just had to work through a little thing. It's really windy out today, and he was a little spooky. And we didn't have Sienna up there with him to, like, you know, make him feel secure. So on Friday, we'll probably lead Sienna up there so he feels a little more secure, just for convenience of that day. But he did good, and I feel badly because Elsie's mad at me because she was just trying to help, but it wasn't helping. So tomorrow, Sunshine and I have a lesson at the arena I was telling you about yesterday while we were riding. And so, as you can see, the pony's a mess. Just a mess, knots in her hair, caked in mud, so much fun. So I'm gonna clean her up tonight so I don't have to do this tomorrow, and just put a rain sheet on her so she stays clean. You stay clean, yes. And Sienna's out having a good time, just picking around in the field, seeing what she can eat. At least it's not so muddy out there. So it is now windy and raining, at least starting to rain, and I've got to get her rain sheet on. But first, behold the reveal. All better. Look at that beautiful tail now. Maybe a little stained, but it's so much better. So pretty.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow.
So as you saw, I made chocolate covered strawberries, which are such a fun little treat. And I just finished my math that I did on my iPad. And I did some more work today on my 4-H presentation, which is in my physical science notebook. So I'm getting some good work done on that. And I kind of just have to transfer all this information onto little index cards and kind of make it so I can make it into a presentation instead of just a whole book of notes. But I actually don't even have index cards yet, so I'm gonna have to get those. And I still have to write like something to say at the beginning and at the end of the presentation. So like an opening, something to say for the opening and the conclusion or whatever. So that is still yet to be done, and it's like 7:40 right now. So I'm probably just going to do some spinning and watch some TV now. But we'll see, you know, might just, I don't know what I'm doing yet.
The old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you
So here's all the spinning I've done so far. As you can see, I have a lot more I have to do. And the fiber I'm spinning is like this really fun unicorn rainbow. This is gonna make something so fun. After I spin all the fiber, which is in this bag, there's a whole 10 ounces to do, which is a lot. So I have to fill this whole bobbin up. Then I'm gonna learn how to knit and make something super fun. And on my lap, I have the different fiber all ready to go, and then I can just spin them as I'm doing now. And it's really fun. I am a very much beginner spinner. As you can see, I let it go and it kind of, see how it kinked, so I'm kind of over spinning it. Anyway, that's what I'm doing now while we watch TV. Good morning, everyone. Please excuse my messy desk. I do a lot of many different things here and crafts, so a little bit of everything going on. But this morning I have some Etsy orders I have to fill, and I have to make a choker necklace for an order, and they requested a little heart charm. I have like lightning bolts and little moon charms and horses and all kinds of cute things. And they ordered the almond colored cord to go with their charm. So I'm gonna braid this together and get this ready to ship. I've managed to make a mess out of this cord already. I literally just opened it up. So I recently started adding some more choker necklaces and bracelets to my Etsy store. And I've also got a new style of model horse blankets that I've been making. I've been sewing them. So I actually have an order for one of those that I'm gonna fill out today as well. Here is the braided cord for the choker necklace. And now I just have to put on the clips on the end. And here we have it all finished. And now we just have to package. These are the super cute envelopes we have, and I'm running a little bit late right now to catch the mailman in time. This here is the order for the choker necklaces. There's actually 2, so I made another. So that is complete, and this is the model horse blanket. So we're heading to the mailbox. Hopefully we did not miss the mailman. Sometimes that happens. Hopefully not today though. Got little Elsie, we're going for a doggy walk.
What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one. Hello,
kind of popping on for a little voiceover here real quick so I can kind of explain what we're doing. So as you saw, we did a pony swap, and I'm on Indy and Tiffany is on Sunshine. So we practice leg yields, and I'm doing it on Indy because he's really good at this kind of stuff and he can kind of show me what it's supposed to feel like. And Tiffany does it on Sunshine so she can learn how to do it. So we really like doing this at the end of our lessons because it really helps both of us out and helps Sunshine a lot, so she can really have an experienced rider on her that can show her what we want from her. So anyway, you'll see Sunshine coming up because she's very fancy. So I practice on Indy. He's really fun to ride and a lot different than Sunshine to ride.
What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
Our wife using my inside leg. She gets very upset. She gets away with a lot of things.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. And love just went cold, but I'm still burning. And love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again.
See, she gets a little.
You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry.